Beirut Chess. How to play. The rules are the same as regular chess, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. The object of the game is to checkmate or blow up your opponent's king. Before the game begins, each player secretly marks the bottom of any one of their chess pieces, other than their king, with a red dot. The piece with the red dot is called the bomb carrier. On any turn, instead of moving, you may say boom and overturn your bomb carrier piece. That piece, along with any player's piece on every adjacent space, including diagonally, are removed from the board. Whenever an opponent's piece is removed from the board, you may not inspect it to see if it was a bomb carrier. You may not blow up your bomb carrier if it results in your opponent checking your king, or you blowing up your own king. The first player to checkmate or blow up their opponent's king wins.